It's really easy to find just the right video or course using our advanced search engine. You can search by topic. We've identified important keyword searches for both teachers and administrators. You can also search by your evaluation rubric, so you can find videos and courses aligned to the standards or the components in your teacher evaluation system. You can search by your favorite educational expert. You can also search by classroom, so you can locate classroom examples by subject or topic. And finally, of course, you can use your own search terms by using the search bar at the bottom of the screen. This will help you find exactly what you're looking for.
EI's online academy is massive and includes over 500 hours of video in the video library. The EI Academy also touts a diverse catalog of self-paced courses. Because there is so much, the search tool will be a big help. We are starting here on the Learner dashboard. By clicking on the Search tab, you will find several options. All of the diverse content is categorized based on popular topics for teachers and administrators. You can also sort by evaluation rubric or expert. You can even find just the classroom shots by grade level and subject. So if I'm a teacher and I'm looking for content to help me learn more about engaging students in high-level conversations, I would start with the Teacher tab. I might choose Student Engagement or Questioning Techniques. On this tab, we see a list of tagged videos. EI's instructional design team has recommended these videos as the best one for questioning techniques. There are 116 clips. Let's add this one to our list. The tab Other Videos will show you the results from an automated search of all of our transcripts and clip titles as it looks for the words questioning plus techniques. Once you find what you're looking for, add it to your plan. This creates your own learning plan and bookmarks your choices in the order that you added them. To look at all of the pieces that you added, just click on My Plan along the top. For all kinds of reasons, you can make notes. In this case, so you can remember why you bookmarked this particular video. Let's go back to the search page. Administrators. Let's look at the other categories in search. Search has a lot to offer the administrators because there's a lot of content for school leaders. There are categories such as community relationships and mentorship, and many other categories. Back to the search page. Evaluation models. If you are working with a specific teacher or administrator evaluation model, you can search for content that aligns to the component or standards. We've aligned everything to the most popular models like Danielson, InTask, Marzano, and teacher preparation standards in the EdTPA assessment for student teachers. Select the standard and see all of the content that will help you build skills in a specific component. Back to the search page. Search by expert. You can search for popular speakers in the expert section. Maybe you're doing a book study following the work of a certain speaker or author. You can search for this person and watch them present their ideas. Here's Jay McTighe teaching us about big ideas and essential questions.
So one reason for focusing our teaching around big ideas that we want students to understand is that it's a way of managing a large amount of content. The second reason is that
Back on the search button. Taking you inside great classrooms. One thing EI is known best for is our large library of real classroom footage. We have hundreds of examples. If you are looking for a particular type of classroom example to show either student teachers or to show at a staff meeting, you can search in the Classrooms section. This tab primarily searches our Classroom Lessons Unnarrated program. The classroom clips are broken down into grade level, discipline, and teaching style. Not all the videos in the classrooms show up in the search results. Click through to the video and check out the full list of clips. Sometimes you'll even find the pre-conferences and post-conferences, which can be illuminating. Additionally, you can search multiple words together in the search bar like elementary, K-5, and math. You will find that we have 33 classroom examples of math teachers in the lower elementary level. Back on the Search tab. Search by other keywords. Of course, you can always do your own keyword search if you are looking for something very specific. Let's say I'm looking for something to teach me more about Socratic discussions. You can go to the search bar at the bottom of the page and type in Socratic to keep it simple. And voila! You'll notice there are 21 instances where the term Socratic appears in the clip title or transcript. We have Socratic discussions, Socratic questioning, and Socratic seminars. Back on the search page. Now let's go look at my plan and the other content we've bookmarked. This will make a great playlist for our discussion on engaging students in high-level conversations. There is so much content in the EI Academy that if you were to try to watch it all, spending an hour a day, it would take almost 2 years to see it all. It is because we know how much good content is in here, we are giving you multiple ways to find just the right piece you are looking for.